The world unfolds in unexpected ways, revealing hidden gems that captivate our hearts and minds. We journey far seeking wonders, chasing dreams across continents and oceans, only to discover that magic often lies hidden in plain sight, waiting to be found. Such is the allure of Cox's Bazar, a place where time seems to stand still, a jewel nestled along the sun-kissed shores of Bangladesh, inviting all who visit to bask in its beauty. A whisper in the wind, a secret shared among travelers, a destination that feels like a dream. Cox's Bazar beckons with the promise of unspoiled beauty and the allure of the infinite, a place where the horizon never ends. Imagine a place where the sky meets the sea in an unbroken embrace, where every moment feels eternal, where the air is thick with the scent of salt and the whisper of coconut palms, creating a symphony of nature. This is Cox's Bazar, home to the world's longest natural sea beach, a marvel of nature stretching an astounding 120 kilometers along the Bay of Bengal, a sight to behold. Its golden sands, kissed by the warmth of the tropical sun, glisten like tiny jewels, seem to stretch into eternity, inviting you to lose yourself in their embrace, to wander and wonder. Cox's Bazar is more than just a beach, it is a sanctuary for the soul, a place of peace and reflection. Here, time slows to the rhythm of the waves, each crash a reminder of nature's timeless beauty, and the worries of the world seem to drift away with the tide, leaving only tranquility. It is a place to reconnect with nature, to find solace in its embrace, to feel the sand between your toes and the wind in your hair, to breathe in the essence of the sea, to witness the sun rise and set in a blaze of glory, painting the sky with hues of wonder. Nestled in southeastern Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar is a place where the land gently slopes into the embrace of the Bay of Bengal, creating a seamless blend of earth and water. Its unique geography has shaped not only its landscape but also the lives of its people, influencing their daily activities and cultural practices. The Bay of Bengal, vast and enigmatic, has been a source of sustenance, a pathway for trade, and a canvas for countless stories and legends. For centuries it has been a constant companion to the people of Cox's Bazar, shaping their livelihoods and traditions. The beach itself is a marvel of nature, a seemingly endless stretch of beauty. Its smooth golden sands, washed by the gentle caress of the waves, stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting visitors to lose themselves in its serene beauty. The air, thick with the scent of salt and the sound of the surf, carries with it a sense of tranquility that washes over you like the tide, soothing the soul. Walking along the shore, you can feel the soft sand beneath your feet, grounding you to the earth, the cool water lapping at your ankles, refreshing and invigorating. And the vastness of the ocean stretching out before you, a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond the horizon. The gentle slope of the beach creates a unique landscape where the tides ebb and flow dramatically, shaping the shoreline with each movement, revealing hidden treasures at low tide, such as shells and small marine life, and painting mesmerizing patterns on the sand, each wave leaving its mark. This constant interplay of land and sea is a testament to the powerful forces of nature that have shaped this extraordinary place, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Cox's Bazar is a testament to the raw beauty of the natural world. Beyond the allure of the endless beach lies a tapestry of ecosystems, each more captivating than the last. Mangrove forests, those guardians of the coast, stand sentinel, their roots submerged in the brackish water, providing a haven for a myriad of creatures. Venture into the verdant embrace of the Teknaf Peninsula, and you'll find yourself surrounded by the hushed beauty of a tropical rainforest. Here, sunlight filters through a canopy of leaves, illuminating hidden waterfalls and whispering streams. This is a place where nature reigns supreme, a sanctuary for rare and endangered species, a testament to the biodiversity that thrives in this corner. Offshore, the coral reefs teem with life, a kaleidoscope of colors and shapes. Dive beneath the waves, and you'll enter a magical realm where fish dart among the corals, rays glide effortlessly through the water, and sea turtles, ancient mariners, navigate the currents with grace. The true spirit of Cox's Bazar resides in the heart of its people. Warm, welcoming, and deeply connected to the rhythm of the sea, the people of Cox's Bazar embody the essence of this magical place. Their lives are intertwined with the ebb and flow of the tides, their livelihoods dependent on the bounty of the ocean. Fishermen, their faces weathered by the sun and the salt spray, head out to sea in their colorful wooden boats, casting their nets into the depths, hoping for a bountiful catch. Their knowledge of the sea, passed down through generations, is a testament to the enduring bond between humanity and nature. The sight of their boats returning at sunset, silhouetted against the fiery sky, is a scene that captures the soul of Cox's Bazar. Ashore, the markets bustle with life, a riot of colors, sounds and smells. Here you can find everything from freshly caught seafood to intricate handicrafts made from seashells and coral. The air is thick with the aroma of spices, the sound of laughter and the gentle hum of conversation in the local dialect. Section 5. A taste of tradition and hospitality. Hospitality is not a mere gesture in Cox's Bazar, it is a way of life. The warmth of the people extends beyond a friendly smile or a helping hand. They open their homes and their hearts to visitors, sharing their stories, their traditions, and their delicious cuisine. Step into a local home and you'll be greeted with a cup of steaming hot tea, fragrant with cardamom and ginger. Share a meal with a family and you'll savor the flavors of fresh seafood, fragrant rice, and lentil soup infused with the spices that are the hallmark of Bangladeshi cuisine. The cultural tapestry of Cox's Bazar is as rich and diverse as its natural beauty. The influence of Buddhism, Hinduism and Islam can be seen in the temples, mosques and monasteries that dot the landscape, each telling a story of faith, tradition and cultural exchange. Section 6. Sunset hues and memories made. As the day draws to a close, the sky above Cox's Bazar transforms into a canvas of breathtaking beauty, a masterpiece painted by nature itself. The setting sun, a fiery orb sinking into the embrace of the Bay of Bengal, paints the sky in hues of orange, purple and gold, casting long shadows across the sand. Each moment is a brushstroke, adding depth and richness to the scene. The beach, bathed in the warm glow of twilight, becomes a magical place, a realm of dreams and memories. The reflections on the wet sand create a mirror image of the sky, doubling the beauty. Stroll along the shore as the sun dips below the horizon, and you'll witness a spectacle that will stay with you long after you've left Cox's Bazar. The gentle waves kiss your feet, and the cool breeze carries whispers of the ocean. The sky ablaze with color, the gentle lapping of the waves, the cool breeze whispering through the coconut palms. It's a moment of pure magic, a symphony of sights, sounds and sensations that capture the essence of this extraordinary place. The vibrant hues of the sunset reflect the vibrant culture and spirit of Cox's Bazar. This is a time for reflection, for contemplation, for letting go of the stresses of everyday life and embracing the serenity of the moment. The tranquility of the scene invites you to pause and breathe deeply. Watch as the sky turns from fiery orange to a deep, velvety indigo, and you'll feel a sense of peace wash over you. A reminder that some things in life are truly timeless and universal. The transition of colors is like a gentle lullaby, soothing and calming. Section 7. Cox's Bazar, an invitation to explore. Cox's Bazar is a destination that beckons to be explored, a place where adventure awaits around every corner. Whether you seek tranquility or exhilaration, solitude or connection, Cox's Bazar has something to offer everyone. Lose yourself in the vastness of the beach, walk barefoot on the warm sand, and let the rhythm of the waves soothe your soul. Explore the hidden coves and inlets, discover secluded waterfalls, and immerse yourself in the lush greenery of the rainforest. Dive beneath the waves and marvel at the beauty of the coral reefs, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the sun. Embrace the local culture, savor the flavors of Bangladeshi cuisine, and learn about the traditions and customs that make this place so unique. Engage with the warm and welcoming locals, listen to their stories, and experience the true spirit of Cox's Bazar. Section 8. Share the spirit of Cox's Bazar. Let the magic of Cox's Bazar stay with you long after you've left its shores. Share your experiences, your photographs, your stories with the world. Spread the word about this hidden gem, this sanctuary of natural beauty and cultural richness. Encourage others to discover the wonders of Cox's Bazar, to experience the warmth of its people, and to witness the breathtaking beauty of its landscape. Let your journey inspire others to embark on their own adventures, to seek out the hidden corners of the world and to connect with the beauty that surrounds us. Cox's Bazar is more than just a destination. It's a state of mind, a feeling, an experience that stays with you